Hi, everyone. It's Hunter Lott, your HR problem solver on demand. And this is Take 5. This session from our series, Leadership 101. I've been working with clients and they're developing the next generation of leaders. So I've been teaching and presenting on topics that I've touched on in the past, but haven't really deep dived into the issues. And it's been fun. So this week I wanted to share time management, a technique, a leadership tool that that this next generation, the new leaders are really scrambling for. First, this idea we can save time. We can't save time. We have the same 24 hours as anybody else. You cannot get everything done. We just can't, and you don't have to. The chances that in any given day or any given week, we get everything done, that everything on our list, every email, every voicemail, every project's completed is going to be rare. And I've got to be careful in this labor situation that I don't push my A players to the burnout mode. Yes, all of us, many of us compulsively say yes, overextend our daily chores, work long hours just to catch up. On the weekends, I find myself doing emails and projects thinking I'm saving time. Not really, just catching up. So what are some techniques? Ivy Lee technique, but where you just handle a particular task or project, you do it, you get it done and move on. One of my mentors used to call this the Ohio rule: only handle it once. Pomodoro, and there's a whole story you can read about on Pomodoro. Some of my friends have a Pomodoro timer. This is where, and I've tried this. I've done this, and it's a focus. Here's 25 minutes. Okay, here's the project. I'm going to focus this time just on this project. You will find people that are really good at time management. This idea of prioritizing and focus is important. Another technique, and I got to do this just recently, and that was the vacation. Okay, I'm going on vacation. Okay, the night before, the day before, I wrote down a list. This is what I need to get done. And the next morning, boom, 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 boom. Yes, it did go better. Vacation went better. And the return from vacation was better. This is a Mark Twain technique: eat a live frog. And I have done this. What's that thing I've been putting off, that thing driving me crazy? Let's get it done first thing. Don't think about it anymore. Just do it. Eat a live frog first early in the day, and nothing less will occur to you the remainder of the day. This concept of focus, here's Warren Buffett: take your 25 top priorities, find those priorities, and then really focus on the 5. Steve Jobs, not known for his leadership technique, but his creativity. He would take the creative team. Okay, what are the 10 projects this year? All right, narrowed that down to 3. Okay, what's the one thing? I'm as proud of what we don't do as I am of what we do. Specific task management, you can get very visual. I tend to work better that way. I've started up again my Google Keep. They've got colored boards. Here's what it looks like. Here's the tasks. Time allotment. All right, I found myself with 15 minutes. Is there a project on my list I can get done in 15 minutes? Gantt charts. This is thinking backwards. Start the project at the end. HR people tend to be good at this. It avoids unintended consequences. And of course, bullet journals. Multitasking, careful about this. The brain just doesn't work this way. Short term, and some people are better at this than others, but careful about using this as a steady diet. So in summary, and this really ties to what does success look like in this job? And how do you measure it? What gets measured gets managed. Write it down. Then prioritize, delegate. I'll do a separate take 5 on delegation, and focus. Hey, check us out at hunterlot.com. We have narrowed down our options by trying to provide our subscribers with easy choices. Also, we can get better at what we do. We'll see you next time on Take 5.